Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, inspiring, meaningful story about believing in effort, not luck. There was a boy named Naaman. Naaman believed in luck more than effort. If something went well, he said, I am lucky. If something went wrong, he said, I am unlucky. Because of this, he did not try very hard. One day, his teacher announced a competition. The prize was a big trophy. Naaman wanted to win, but he did not prepare. He said, if I am lucky, I will win. The competition day came. Other students practiced. They prepared. They worked hard. Naaman just waited for luck. When the results came, he did not win. He felt sad. He felt disappointed. After class, his teacher called him. She asked gently, Naaman, luck is important, but tell me, did you practice? Naaman looked down. He said softly, no. The teacher smiled kindly and said, luck may open a door, but effort walks you inside. She continued, success does not come to people who only wish. It comes to people who work. Naaman understood. From that day, he stopped waiting for luck. He started working. He practiced daily. He studied carefully. He tried sincerely. Slowly, his skills improved. His confidence grew. And one day, he won a prize. But this time, he knew the truth. It was not luck. It was effort. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not wait for luck. Create your success. Work hard. Stay focused. Keep trying. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep working hard. And always remember, effort creates success, not luck.